neighborhoods. This is their communities. These are their families that are being affected by gun violence.
Tonight, Buffalo Common Council member Zeneta Everhart, along with New Yorkers Against Gun Violence, brought together state and local leaders to discuss the gun violence crisis impacting Western New York.
Showing neighbors how they can help in this ongoing fight, our Dylan Morello sat in on that panel discussion and has more tonight.
Today at Canisius University Science Hall, in a statewide effort, experts, activists, and the public gathered to illuminate the issue of gun violence, fostering critical conversations, awareness, and action here and throughout New York.
If you are taking a gun out of my hand, what are you putting in it? What are we putting in the hands of people? Are we putting hope? Are we putting jobs? Are we putting higher education? Are we putting mental health services? Are we putting youth sustainability? What are we putting in hands?
What are we putting in the hands of those impacted by gun violence? A discussion that was spearheaded by Buffalo Common Council member Zeneta Everhart and the New Yorkers Against Gun Violence Committee at Wednesday's panel, finally sitting at the same table with dozens of community members fighting to find answers in Buffalo.
What are we doing about it? Who's doing what in what neighborhoods? What's working? What's not working, right? Like, I want to hear about what's not working and how we can get some solutions. And the only way we do that is that we collaborate and we bring organizations together from across the state, across the country, to make sure that we're actually tackling the problem head on.
We're relying on local leaders and local agencies and establishments, institutions to be able to bring the network, because we know they're closest to it.
Organizations like the White House Office of Gun Violence Prevention, Buffalo Urban Renewal Agency, Buffalo Peacemakers, and Buffalo SNUG were on the panel, sharing what is being done to help Buffalo, especially after the 514 Top shooting, and the work that's still ahead.
More interaction from the community, more people aware of what we're doing and why we're doing it. And it helps a lot.
It's not that we don't have these things, it's that we don't have enough communication that we should know that this is here. There is a whole lot of opportunity if we connect and collaborate in this way.
What we've been asking for is exactly what you gave us tonight, because we've been trying to get these connections, and over the course of the last 2 years, I've met many of you in the room and connected on different things, but now we can build on that.
If you missed out on this in-person panel discussion, Councilmember Everhart says there will be countless others just like it in the coming months. You can also get involved by going to NewYorkAgainstGunViolence.org. Reporting at Canisius University, Dylan Morello, News 4.